In today's fast-paced world, young adults are discovering the power of self-reliance, taking bold steps to empower their lives. With vibrant scenes of budgeting, cooking, and exercising, a montage unfolds, revealing individuals facing life's challenges head-on. The voiceover echoes the wisdom of self-reliance. It's not about doing everything alone. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and steering the course of your future. This concept is beautifully illustrated through quick-paced clips that show how young adults create budgets, track their spending, and open savings accounts, sparking a newfound zeal for financial independence. The journey of financial self-reliance is transformative. Viewers witness the emotional triumph of a young adult taking charge of their finances, easily transitioning between moments of struggle and success. From once being overwhelmed by bills and debt, they rise to confidently manage their money, build a credit score, and even pay off student loans. These relatable stories resonate deeply, igniting hope and the tangible promise that anyone can navigate financial challenges by being proactive. The visual split screen vividly supports this narrative, contrasting before scenarios filled with uncertainty and after scenes showcasing empowered individuals ready to invest in their future. As the narrative progresses, emotional resilience takes center stage. The protagonist encounters setbacks while learning to manage stress and embrace self-care techniques. Moments of rejection, such as facing a failed job interview, highlight the reality of challenges but also showcase the power of adaptation. The crucial message emerges: being self-reliant isn't synonymous with isolation. Instead, it's about knowing when to reach out for support. As the protagonist breathes deeply and learns from criticism, we witness growth. Strength blossoms from vulnerability, setting the stage for the resounding impact of personal development. Simultaneously, the video gears up to showcase the significance of career skills. High-energy scenes capture individuals diving into their aspirations, whether through online courses, language learning, or freelance projects, with a voiceover declaring, "Self-reliance is not just about surviving. It's about thriving and pushing your boundaries." These moments stimulate ambition. Finally, the montage shifts to physical health, illustrating how taking care of oneself lays the groundwork for independence. Breathtaking shots of meal preparation and exhilarating workouts demonstrate the vitality stemming from health-conscious choices. Viewers quickly grasp that nurturing the body directly enhances mental clarity and drive. As the protagonist evolves from fatigue to vibrancy, the notion crystallizes. A strong body fuels a fearless approach to life. In conclusion, confidence radiates from those who stand proud, having achieved their goals through small, determined steps. With the voiceover's encouragement, self-reliance is a journey, not a destination. Young adults are invited to embark on a path of lifelong growth and empowerment.